Hi guys, this is Lam again. So today I will cooking outside. If you can see behind me is the rubber trees. This is a big rubber trees land, and so today we will cook in here. Let's start. Welcome back. So today I will cook Vietnamese pancake, or we can call bánh xèo. First of all, we will do dipping sauce. Like before, I need 5 finger, but today I will change lemon by kumquat. It means you can change everything sour, is okay. You can use kumquat, lemon, juice. It means everything sour is good. Let's start. With 5 finger, I need kumquat, fish sauce, sugar, water, garlic, and chili. Let's start. First of all, I will cut the kumquat. We will cut this side. It's easy to squeeze. I will squeeze out the kumquat juice in empty bowl. Because today I will do for 2 person, and so that reason why I need 2 spoons of kumquat juice. 2 spoons of kumquat juice. Maybe we need 3 kumquat. How to measure it? We use this spoon for measure the kumquat juice inside. But first of all, I need to remove all the seed. Okay. Okay, I got 1 spoon, and in here 1. This means 2. So I got 2 kumquat juice in my bowl. I need 2 fish sauce. One, 2, and 2 sugar. You can change sugar by honey or sweet orange juice. 1, 2, and 2 water. 2 water. 1, 2. Garlic and chili is up to you. If you like spicy, you can put a lot of chili. I will stir it. So, because today I will do pancake, Vietnamese pancake or bánh xèo, we will do 3 pancake. You can see from here. For 1 person, I need 2 shrimp and a little pork like this. So 3 person, we need 3 spice and onion. I need rice flour. You can see it's clear. You can go to ASEAN markets and give them this picture. This rice flour, 50%, tapioca starch, sugar, wheat flour, salt, turmeric powder, dried onion flour, and this flour for do rice pancake, or we call bánh xèo. And next, we need coconut milk. The recipe to do the flour. For 1 flour, I need 2 coconut milk. It means 1 person, we need 3 flour. one person, we need 3 flour. It means 6 coconut milk. So today we will do 3 bánh xèo. I need 9 flour and 18 coconut milk. 18 coconut milk and 9 flour. We use this spoon for measure. One, 2, 3. So first of all, I will do just one pancake. I need 3 flour and 6 coconut milk. 6. 6 butterfly, and we stir it. For color, we need curry. We put a little inside for color. If you not put curry inside, it's not change color to be yellow like this. We just put a little bit. We put a little curry inside for her color, and we stir it. This one is for 1 bánh xèo, 3 flour and 6 coconut milk. First of all, we need to stir pork and onion first. Remember, just pork and onion. This is for 1 pancake, 1 bánh xèo. When it change color, you will put your prawn in. When it change color, you will put your prawn inside. We need 1 spoon fish sauce. 1 spoon fish sauce. Only 1. When it's ready, you put it outside. Now with empty pan, we will pour vegetable oil inside. Not too much. You move the oil around your pan like this. It's too much oil. And use the paper for observe. Okay. You will observe the pancake. The pan until you can see the oil just a little bit like this. It's okay. And then you will stir. Stir with a high heat. When you see it's hot, it's been ready. You pour out your water inside and then you move like this. Move around like this. And turn the heat is slow. Turn it down. It's small heat like this. Small heat. And we will waiting it. Okay. And then you put your meat and onion just one side and one line like this. We will put bean sprouts. It's up to you. If you like bean sprout a lot, you can put a lot. But how to see it when it is ready? You just see around this. When it's moved by themselves, you can see it. It's moved by themselves. It's been ready. And now you powder it. You can use the spoon or fork for powder it. Yes, and you move in the middle. And one pancake is ready. We need banana leaf for put the pancake. Okay, this one. Yes, I think it is enough. How we eat it? We will eat with mustard leaf or lettuce leaf. We will put inside. We rolling and with dipping salt. Enjoy it. Now enjoy pancake with me. Very good. Thank you. So guys, if you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye.